first rates on your screen. They will just come up. There you go. Nifty down 33 points. The breadth of the market is looking strong. HUL, Wipro, Kotak Mahindra Bank, TCS, the heavyweights are not off to a good start. Not too many newsmakers, but one definitely is Godrej Consumer. The rub-off effect Godrej Consumer could have on the entire FMCG space, which is HUL, ITC, Marico, Dabur. I think that would be evident. So that becomes one big talking point, so to speak. Infosys hit an all-time high on Friday. That becomes the other talking point for the rest of the day, because if Infosys has hit an all-time high, that means good news for the market. And then over the weekend, nothing big transpired. But post the credit policy, there is reason to believe that large cap banks and especially PSU banks, they will gain more muscle, because CRR cut means that in the near term they can lend more, and that is something which I think is visible in the way when HDFC Bank and SBI are indicating.
Yeah, a bunch of other stocks which are also going to be in focus, and just looking at Suven Pharma, we just highlighted that they're looking to acquire 50% stake in NJ Bio. They see it as well, another acquisition from Michelin for about $225 million. Biocon and EIR with a VAI status from the US FDA for their API facility in Bangalore. And TVS Motors with their next-gen TVS RTX D4 engine platform launch. Those are a bunch of stocks which are in focus. I want to see what GHCL is up to. Godrej Consumers, brokerages have cut their estimates post the mid-quarter update that they've handed out. And, that is definitely not auguring well for the sentiment on Godrej Consumer. Almost a 9% downtick now for this one. And maybe it's rubbing off on the likes of Marico and Dabur as well, given how stark the update has been from Godrej Consumer for their pre-mid Q3 update. Dabur also lower by about 2%, and Marico will just come up for you on your screens next. There's Star Health as well. They've got a show cause notice from IRDAI for certain violations. The company is yet to respond, so that's the other stock in focus, 1.5% lower. And then, of course, there's Grasim as well, which is looking to commission the project expansion of their caustic soda unit in Gujarat. An additional revenue of 500 crore rupees is what they're anticipating from this one. So look out for that as well. And then Paytm, of course, wherein their arm is looking to sell stake in PayPay Corp Japan to SoftBank for 2,364 crore rupees. Paytm maybe is holding up in the green right now in trade. We'll just come up for you on your screens next. But yeah, for the index per se, it's a very, very tempered move. Kunal, any trends that you're picking up specifically? And of course, the trades for today?
Yeah, nothing major, I think, except for that slight bit of tinge of positive outperformance from Bank Nifty. Nothing much to really look at, at least in terms of the index trends as of now. But one of the stocks which is trying to make a comeback again is LIC of India. That stock is now nearing a break of its 200-day moving average, just around that 950, 975 plus range. So that's a stock which I would be looking to buy, especially if it confirms a breakout of this 200 DMA.
Okay, Naresh, let's understand how you're reading into the market movement this morning, and what's the first trade that you're punching in?
So overall, the small cap outperformance continues. In terms of a trade idea, that would be a buy on Kotak Bank. Has opened up a little bit in the positive. Looks interesting for a move towards 1880 in the short term.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.